If you're having some issues with a broken Presta valve, I'm going to give you some solutions on how to fix it. So these tips will work on pretty much any bike. They'll work on a road bike, a mountain bike, a gravel bike, any bike with a Presta valve. First, I'd check the leak is definitely coming from the valve by dipping your whole wheel in a bucket of water or a bathtub. That way you can see where the bubbles are coming from, and so you know where the leak is. If the bubbles are coming from the valve, then you know it's leaking from the valve. So next, check that the valve retaining ring is tight. This will screw on and ensure that the valve is tight to the rim and ensuring that there's no leaks. Okay, now you want to check the valve core is tight. First, remove the dust cap, and then you want to take your valve core tool. I don't have the tool, but I do have a chain tool which works pretty well. So all we're going to do is put the chain tool on and check it's tight, and that is as tight as I can get it. If that still hasn't done the job, you may want to add some sealant. So I'm going to add a little bit of sealant. First, you want to let out all the air. Then remove the valve core. These valve cores are removable, so you can add sealant, or if they get damaged you can replace them. Now reinsert the valve core. Okay, now just pump the tyre up to your preferred tyre pressure and you're hopefully good to go. If you're not sure of the tyre pressure, you can check out our tyre pressure calculator on bikevav.com. It'll give you a good starting point. After doing all these steps, I'd recommend re-submerging the wheel in a bath or a bucket and see if there's any more bubbles coming out. If there's no bubbles, then it's fixed. If it's still leaking, I'd recommend replacing the valve. If you found this video at all useful, could you like and subscribe? It would be a great help to the channel. Cheers guys!